boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on take 1.5b, number 2. So our first 3 problems, what we're going to do is we're going to solve them like we always do. You can use pictures, manipulatives, whatever you want to use to solve them. Make sure you're paying really close attention to your signs if we're joining, putting it together, or separating it, just taking it apart. For number 2, we're going to draw a picture to show 5 plus 4 equals 9. So if I have 5 circles, and I have 4 triangles, I know I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have a total of 9. Read the question, identify the important information, and then write a number sentence. Okay, so I'm looking at this question, and I'm going to want to end up writing a number sentence. That's what I'm looking for. So Spot has 6 bones. He finds 4 more bones. How many bones does Spot have? Well, I know Spot starts with 6. I know my change is he's getting more bones, and he's getting 4. And I'm looking for how many bones is he going to have as my result. So I know my start is 6. I know because he's finding more bones, I'm joining. So I'm going to write plus. I'm going to join 4 more, and that's going to give me a total of 10. For number 4, we're going to draw the number 44 using 10s and 1s. So the way I can represent a 10 is I can draw a 10 like this, which is a rectangle with 10 lines, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can represent it as a line, like this. So either way is fine. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. And remember, I'm representing those ones with those little dots. So I could represent it as 44, or 4 groups of 10 and 4 ones. We're going to be skip counting by 2s to determine the total number of shoes in the set below. So I'm going to go 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. So there were 72 shoes. Okay, so I know I'm going to have 72 shoes. Now I'm going to fill in the missing numbers. 10, 15, 20, 25. I know I'm skip counting by 5. So next is 30, 35. Which group of numbers shows skip counting by 1 number? Well, I know I was adding 5 each time, so I must have been skip counting by 5. 5 starts with the f sound. Which set of numbers shows skip counting by 2? So I know each time I'm going to be adding 2. So 82, 84, 85. Oh, that's not adding 2 because next would have been 86. So I know that one is incorrect. 104, 106, 108, 110. That one does count by 2s, but I'm going to check all of them. 75, 80, 85, 90. I know that's counting by 5s. So this must be my answer. Choose the number that comes next in the pattern. 12, 22, 32, 42. Ooh, I notice each one of these times I'm adding a group of 10, so I know my next number must be 52 because my ones place is staying the same. What are the numbers skip counting by? They're skip counting by 10s.